Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today we have the Erikenstein rod from the Rod Squad series, number 3 of 5 and number 120 of 250 on the year. Last time we opened one of these, I believe it was like a brick color, like that red brick. What is the Rod Squad? Be the leader of the pack with this fleet of custom hot rods. So they are custom hot rods. Look at this thing, this is a beast. That green is metal. All that dark army green color you see right there is metal. The engine is plastic. So everything you see that is chrome color would be the middle of the car, and that is all plastic. Plastic bottom. This vehicle is made in Malaysia. Let's see how it rolls. Like it. Oh. Yeah, it's good for my track, that's for sure. Rolls very straight, smooth wheels, and sweet drifter. The Erikenstein rod is an alright vehicle. I like it. Once again, I'm going to have to find the other one that matches it so I can play with them together. I like playing with two different colors of the same cool car. Woohoo! Thanks so much for tuning in and checking it out. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. T10 out.